Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today, the DD channel, what's up and welcome back to the DD channel. Today we're going to be playing hide and seek in Brookhaven. I'm so excited. So who's excited? Yeah? So as you know, it's called the DD one. And my daddy, he is going to be playing today. So where are you? Where are you? Okay. No, that looks great. Okay, so I'm the person here. Hey. Stop! I'm the person right here jumping. Okay, so I'm going to get an apartment for both of us, okay? I know. You were shooting me the whole time. And I don't care. Stop making all that racket, policeman. Come on inside. And I will lock the house because I do not want a policeman coming in. Stay still. Stay still. Stay still. Oh my gosh. So I just bought this apartment. It looked beautiful. So we're going actually to change our plans. We are not playing hide and seek. We're just going to be exploring, aren't we? So my daddy said yes. Where are you? Wait, there's a pool? Coming. So guys, DD squad, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a drawing challenge, and my dad has to guess what I'm drawing. Why do I hear gun noises? Okay, hello. Oh no! So eventually we'll play hide and seek in the pool, but no, not in somewhere else, but not now. So there are 2 bedrooms. Okay, your bedroom's gonna be that one. This is my bedroom. There is. Show me. So guys, there are 3 bedrooms. There are 3 bedrooms, guys. So we're going to be showing you guys our normal morning routine, aren't we? So let's get started, Daddy. So go to your bed. We're going to wake up. So first, we're going to show our normal routine. So sleep in your bed, Daddy. So I'm going to put on my pajamas. They are these cozy ones. Now I'm going to go down here to my bedroom. Are you in bed, Daddy? You in bed? Yeah. Why are you on Facebook? Okay, guys, I'm so excited. So normally I wake up and then I would. Oh, that's so cool. And then I would brush my teeth. So I'm going to brush my teeth. Shh. So come into my room. Then there will be a door. Yeah. So I'm brushing my teeth. So does my dad. He brushes his teeth. Okay, now I'm going to put it back where it belongs. Okay, now I'm going to go make some breakfast. By the way, I love this apartment. So let's make some breakfast. What do you want for breakfast? What do you want for breakfast? Okay, so today for breakfast we're having... I usually have some cereal. Don't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, but since there's no cereal, and sometimes we have pancakes. So I'm going to get some pancakes. Hey, no skateboards allowed in the house, mate. Daddy.
Yeah.
No skateboards. And I'm serious. Absolutely serious. Do you want breakfast or not?
Yeah.
No computers at the table. Okay, so I'm eating some breakfast. Come on, eat.
I'm eating.
No, come eat next to me.
Okay.
Next, the other side where the pancakes are. Yummy. Okay, finished? Good. Finished. Okay, so let's go to school. First, I've got to get changed.
I've just got my money.
You stole that money from the bank? So, Daddy, so my daddy goes to work, don't you? So he will drop me off at school. Come on, let's go downstairs. Come on, let's go out. Okay, can you equip the car? Yeah. Okay, drive us to school. Do you know the way?
No, I'll find it.
Okay, so I'll tell you when. So we're at the school now, guys. Come on. No. It won't let me jump. Okay. Just going to jump, finally. It won't let me walk! Guys, I'll ring you up again once this works. Okay, there. Okay, so I go to school, and then I come back from school about 2. Pick me up, Daddy. Let's go. Then we go home and I have some dinner, and that's it. So that's the end of our video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and have an awesome day. Stop the car. I hope you enjoyed the video and have an awesome day. A really awesome day. Because we don't want no bad days. Bye, guys. Blow it up.